start now. Have you ever spent hours creating a video only for nobody to watch it? See, I know the feeling. Actually, before making this video, I posted a poll in my community tab asking what topic you guys wanted the most. And this is it, because majority of you picked how to make video people want to watch. Yes, how to make video people want to watch. So here we are. Let me break it down for you step by step. Number one, start with what they want. Start with what your audience wants, not just what you want. Yes, you might love your idea, but the real question is, would anyone else care? Before you hit that record button, ask yourself, would I click on this video if I saw it pop up in my FYP, in my own page? Would I click on it? If the answer is no, tweak it. What's the meaning of tweak it? Change it. See, always think about your audience first, not just about what you want to talk about. Always think about it. So number two, find what is already working and make it yours. See, let me tell you, you don't have to guess at all. Look at the most popular video in somebody in your niche or someone in your niche and click on their most popular video. What topics, what title, or what format are they using that's making them get millions of views? Study them. Study the video, what? Then put your own unique twist on it. Your voice, your personality, your perspective. Copy the structure. Yes. How does you say it? Still like an artist, Abi. Still like an artist and copy like that kind of quote. Copy the structure, but make it feels like you. Some people feel like copy tone. Yes. But for my explanation, watch this my video on how I copy YouTubers. Watch that my video on how I copy YouTuber. So number three, create curiosity early. You have 5 seconds to hook someone before they scroll away. Stay strong. Ask a question. Drop a surprising fact or teach them something juicy that is coming later. Make people need to stay and watch. Don't just start with my name is Kenny. My name is that one. We don't need your name. I don't need your name. Like, what do I need your name for? If I need your name is already in your page. Your name is already down of your video. Your name is already around your video. Ah yes, your name is already in the downside of your video. This is downside. So I don't need your name. Nobody cares about your name. Go straight to the point. Keep curiosity. Create that curiosity. Start when I first started. I started with a curiosity sentence. So now, number 4. Learn how to make great title and thumbnail. Yeah. See, let me tell you, title and thumbnail is everything on YouTube. Not you want to tell me. Title and thumbnail is everything you need on YouTube. See, you can create an amazing video, but if your title and thumbnail are boring, no one will click on it. Like, if you check my top 10 videos, all my most popular videos, the title and thumbnail create curiosity in you. You see it? So what? Learn how to create title that sparks curiosity and thumbnail that pops off the page. Think of it as a music poster, like a movie poster. When you go to a cinema and you want to watch movie, you first see poster outside. That is what to entertain people before they watch the movie itself. See, you have to make people want to think, click on this your video. So if you want to learn how to create title and thumbnail, watch these videos, yes, any of these two. I teach how to create thumbnail there. You watch it, that's it. Watch it. You watch it. I'll put it in the description too. Number 5, deliver value fast. Skip the long intro and boring setup. Get to the point. People click on your video, let me tell you the truth. Deliver value fast. See, number 5, deliver value fast. Skip the long intro. Welcome to my channel. We don't need it. Don't welcome us. Skip the long intro and boring setup. Get to the point. People click on video because what? They wanted something. And what? Give it to them quickly. Teach them. Entertain them. Inspire them. But do it fast so that they can stay. And if you notice in this my video, I did not introduce myself when you click on it. I did not introduce myself at all. Even to this point, I have not said I am Bully Vibes. Welcome to my channel. This is Inika. I produce a new video. Oh my god. Ew. That irritates me. Like, why would you want to be changing them? We don't need it direct. So what? Number 6. Edits like attention is expensive. See, in today's world, every 2 seconds in your video matters. Cut out anything that does not add value. Use capture, sound effect, zoom, jump cut. Keep the energy alive so that people don't click away halfway through. Yes. See. Number 7. Edit with a purpose. See. Never let your video just fade out. Always tell your video what you want to do next. For example, like what? Tip them your next video idea, my sister. Number 7. End with a purpose. See, never just let your video just fade out like that. No. Always tell your viewer what you want to do next. Like the next video that you want to post. Like tip them your next video idea. For example, in my next video now, I'll talk about animation. In my next video, I can talk about why you start a YouTube channel. Something like that. So what? Something like subscribe or what? Watch another video. Leave a comment. Give them clear direction. So let me quickly give you a recap of the 7 things. Number 1, create for your audience, not for yourself. Number 2, model popular videos with your own twists. Number 3, hook them fast. Hook them early. Number 4, master your title and thumbnail. Number 5, deliver value fast. Number 6, edit tight. And what? Number 7, end with purpose. So I would love to say thank you to everyone who voted in the poll. Like, I really appreciate you. You are gonna keep me going this my YouTube channel, because anytime I get convinced, I just post poll and what people do vote in poll, and I really love you guys. Thank you very much. You are the one that make this video happen. Special shout out to those who voted in the poll, even if you are not plenty. Special shout out to you. I know I can see you, but you cannot see me. So what? I can see you, Abby. You can see me, but I cannot see you. That was correct. So what? I hope you found this video helpful. See you in my next video. Bye. Yeah, Bolu vibes. Bye.